Have you ever wondered about the origins of hiccups? Believe it or not, these quirky little spasms have been puzzling humans for ages. The medical term is singultus, derived from Latin meaning to catch one's breath. Hiccups occur when your diaphragm involuntarily contracts, followed by a quick closure of your vocal cords, creating that signature hic sound. Interestingly, even fetuses can experience hiccups in the womb. While most cases are harmless and last only a few minutes, some people can suffer from chronic hiccups lasting years. How bizarre is that? So next time you find yourself hiccuping away, just think, you're sharing an odd trait with unborn babies.